Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT Makeup Test 2025-2026 Part 4. Dear students, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Dear students, this is a revised deadline for registration 12th January 2026 and revised test date and time 17th January 2026 on Saturday 10th am. So best wishes and best luck. Eukaryotic genome is dash and produces multiple proteins. Option A haploid, B diploid, C polycistronic, and option D monocistronic. So the correct option is D monocistronic. Explanation is eukaryotic genes are generally monocistronic. One mRNA molecule codes for a single protein. Dear students, this is important MCQs. DNA is dash molecule. Option A reactive, B neutral, C stable, and option D none. So the correct option is C stable. DNA is a stable molecule. Explanation is DNA is chemically stable under physiological conditions compared to RNA due to its deoxyribose sugar and double-stranded structure. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Two nucleotides are joined together by dash to form option A hydrolysis and peptide bond, B condensation and phosphodiester bond, C glycosylation and glycosidic bond, and option D methylation and covalent bond. So the correct option is B condensation and phosphodiester bond. Explanation is nucleotides are joined via a condensation dehydration reaction that forms a phosphodiester bond between 3' hydroxyl group of one sugar and the other is 5' phosphate group. When lactose is absent, lake Operon repressor is option A active, B inactive, C recessive, and option D blocked. So the correct option is option A active. In the absence of lactose, the lake repressor binds to the operator and blocks transcription. Hence it is active is a repressor. A cluster of functionally related genes can be under coordinated control by a single on-off switch is known as option A polycistronic, B monocistronic, C Operon, and option D protein. So the correct option is C Operon. An operon is a set of functionally related genes under control of a single promoter and regulatory switch, common in eukaryotes. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. Minerals, carbon and dash were essential for the experiments performed for one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. Option A nitrogen, B phosphorus, C vitamins, and option D magnesium. So the correct option is C vitamins. Explanation is in Mendel terms, one gene, one enzyme experiments, minimal media required, minerals, a carbon sugar, a carbon source, and vitamins. So which of the following is inducer? Option A tryptophan, B thymine, C. fructose, and option D. Allo-lactose. So the correct option is D. Allo-lactose. Allo-lactose is the inducer of the lake Operon. It binds the lake repressor and inactivates it. lacZ codes for dash. Option A. Primase. B. Galactose. C. Sucrose. And option D. Beta-Galactosidase. So the correct option is D. Beta-Galactosidase. lacZ encodes beta-galactosidase, which hydrolyzes lactose into glucose and galactose. Mendel aim was to look for different inheritance characteristics and dash. Option A. Pea plant cultivation. B. Statistical analysis. C. Pattern of transmission. And option D. Pedigree analysis. So the correct option is C. Pattern of transmission. Mendel studied how traits are transmitted across generations in pea plants. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Eukaryotic genome is dash and produces multiple proteins. Option A. Haploid. B. Diploid. C. Polycistronic. And option D. Monocistronic. So the correct option is D. Monocistronic. Eukaryotic genes are generally monocistronic. One mRNA molecule codes for a single protein. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. RNA primer is synthesized by dash. Option A. RNA polymerase. B. DNA polymerase. C. Primase. And option D. Transferase. So the correct option is C. Primase. Primase synthesizes short RNA primer during DNA replication to provide a 3' hydroxyl group for DNA polymerase to start. Thank you for watching my videos.